Fruit and vegetable washing machine. Presentation. Fruit and vegetable washing machines. How does the fruit and vegetable washing machine work? Vegetables are an important source of nutrition for humans, and the vegetable washing method most commonly refers to manual washing, which has a low yield, high water consumption, high labor cost, and low satisfaction. Vegetable consumption is largely dependent on the consumption of the canteen, school dining hall, hotels, factories, and various vegetable processing plants. Obviously, manual washing cannot meet their needs. As a manufacturer of the vegetable washing machine, Taizy Machinery produces fruit and vegetable washing machines with improved production efficiency and reduced cost, which are applicable to all kinds of fruit and vegetable washing processing. Principle of operation of a fruit and vegetable washing machine. A vegetable washing machine is divided into two parts: the front of the bubble washing to clean impurities after the brush spray washing. The washing pool is equipped with a high-pressure vent pipeline, by which a large number of dense bubbles are generated in the pool. The washing tank's purpose is to remove impurities and dirt. Impurities of eth degrees mth micro proportion fall thr th 3/4 suck thf micro net belt into the pool in the vegetable washing machine during the lifting under spray rinsing process. Brush roller spray. Vegetable washing machine can effectively remove the dust adhering to the surface of the product. The roller keeps the product rotating, and with the spray attached, the material is rinsed again, effectively increasing the cleanliness of the product. Rotation of the brush roller will polish the surface of the product, increase the hygienic degree of the product, and improve the quality of the product. Vegetable washing machine principle. The material is washed in the water by the action of bubbles that will tumble and spread out. Furthermore, the raw material will make full contact with the rotating brush roller, allowing hair and debris impurities adhere to the brush to be removed. At the same time, the product moves forward continuously under the action of water flow, which sends the product into the next process. Fruit and vegetable dicing machine. The vegetable dicing machine can cut root vegetables and fruits as well as ham into cubes and cuboids. The fruit dicing machine can also be adjusted to cut slices, strips, and shreds. Vegetable dicer machine features: adopt aluminum alloy and stainless steel for anti-corrosion and hygiene. Easy operation, low power consumption, high efficiency. Combined cutting and preloading design ensure the cut dices have a uniform size, smooth surface, and exact size. A micro switch at the feed inlet of the fruit dicer machine ensures safe operation. Commercial vegetable dicer structure and working principle. The vegetable dicer machine consists of a foundation, machine shell, driving plate, slicing blade, round blade assembly, cross-cutting blade assembly, transmission system, and electrical tool control system. The driving plate drives the vegetables to rotate at a high speed. The slicing blade cuts the vegetables into thin slices using centrifugal force, then the round shredding blade cuts the slices into strips and sends them to the cross-cutting blade, which cuts the strips into cubes or cuboids. By removing the cross-cutting blade of the fruit dicing machine, you can cut strips or shreds. Further, by removing the round blade, you can cut slices. Vegetable fruit dicer machine. Cautions. Before the operation, check whether there are foreign matters in the commercial vegetable dicer and whether the rotation direction is right. Connect the ground wire wherever the earth sign indicates. The materials to be cut will be cleaned before processing. Sand or clay should not be mixed with the vegetables to avoid damaging the blades. The commercial vegetable dicer machine should be cleaned after each use. Remove uncleaned round blade assembly and cross-cutting blade assembly each week. For maintenance purposes, daub them with edible oil before reassembling them for easy disassembly. Why do Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipment and also factors in transit and insurance. We can customize as per each client's needs. Finding the right vendor to meet your needs in all commercial and technical fields can be difficult. We work in a professional nature to fulfill the supply on time with regard to the quality factor as per firm norms. We keep confidentiality to maintain our business ethics while dealing with clients. Ensure the manufacturing department gets the supply without delay, taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors, evaluating, selecting, and auditing the vendor in accordance with the customer's requirements with various vendors of the same specifications and maintain the quality standards. The 4 R's are essential. The right place, the right quality, the right time, and the right price. We would get the suppliers on board at a genuine price. Contact us at the given below address, follow on our social media and also share on your social networks. Subscribe our channel.